Make sure it's counting.
Cut.
All right, class.
Yes.
Okay, today we are going to be working on creating descriptive sentence. So let's go ahead and look up here at our objective here. All right, so I want you to follow along. Read with me. It says, I will write descriptive sentences about the solar system using adjectives, nouns, verbs, adverbs, and prepositional phrases. All right, so we've got that up here. Let's go through. I want you to right now make sure everybody has a shoulder partner. Everybody got a shoulder partner? Let's have Carla go over here with Fernanda. Yuen, scoot back to Shanti and join Yuen. Okay, so scooch over. Let's see, you two are going to be partners. Okay, you two can be partners. Caesar, I want you to come up and join Caden and Leo so that you have a threesome here that you guys can work together with. All right, so everyone go ahead. Everybody's got, so Caesar, you're going to be in the threesome here. All right, everybody, Carla, you're going to turn and talk to Fernanda. You guys turn and talk, and I want you to talk about what is an adjective. All right, so raise your hand if you think you know the answer. All right, I'm going to start with, okay, Tessa. Okay, good. So you've got a space on your paper where it says definition. You're going to write, it describes okay, so words that describes a noun. Let me pick a little bit up to 10. Yes. What? Okay, well let's go ahead before we go on to the next one. Let's go over and talk about what are some words that we've learned about the solar system that we could use to describe any of the. Let's first of all focus on the moon. Okay, good, Rocky. So go ahead. Well, we'll put as much as we can. Okay, good. Round.
Big.
Rough. I'll come back to you. Yes, Kate.
Funny.
The funny.
Funny.
Is that really describing our solar system? Funny is an adjective, but we're wanting specifically words about our solar system and maybe even specifically about the moon that we learned about today. Jasmine. Okay, small.
What's happening down there?
You win. Okay, so yeah, we might have big. Okay, sometimes we do refer to the moon as a, okay, so are we talking about the moon or the earth? We're talking about the moon? Okay, so we've kind of got a blue, gray color.
Blue, gray.
Well, and what other colors do we kind of see the moon as?
I don't see the blue. Blue or gray.
Well, what she's seeing is she can see when you look at the moon, it's not just a flat white or yellow color. There's actually like it has kind of shadows in it.
Orange?
And those kind of shadows or those distinctions have like what she's talking about is kind of a bluish gray, a light bluish gray tints to them. Deshanti? It's spelled both ways.
What? There's two ways to spell gray? How?
It's E-Y-N-A-Y.
Is that how you spell gray? What?
Yes. Vanya. Back to Vanya. Okay, good. Because crater is actually itself is a noun, but we could say, so we put the word holy, kind of like, because that would do it. We need, not quite holy. We'll try it. We'll see if it works. Deshanti?
Does it have to be about the moon?
Well, it doesn't know. It could be about any of our.
Gas
Well, it's a gas giant, but a gas giant's one of our words. But is that an adjective? No, we're still on adjectives. Yes.
Dark.
What?
Dark.
Okay, dark.
Dark. Bright.
Sarah?
Like the sun is hot. Hot.
Okay, yeah. So, yeah. So if we were talking about,
Hot. How about cold from Mercy?
so cold would be the opposite. Would be cold if we were talking about cold planets, because the sun would obviously be hot, and there's some planets that are very hot, and then some of the planets are cold. All right, we'll wait till raise your hand. So, Leo.
Silent.
Okay, good. Silent.
There's no sound there.
And if we need to add some, we'll come back and we'll add some. Like if we want to, if there's a sentence we want to make and the word's not there that we want, we'll come back and add. So let's go on to our nouns. Turn and talk to your shoulder partner. All right, Nathan, what is a noun?
A person, place, a person, or a place, or thing.
Okay, so good. Write this down.
I got one. I did. Person, place, or thing. A thing. What's a thing? It's the moon. The moon's a thing.
We've got one more to add in there. Oh, no, that's not it.
Idea. State of being.
Yeah, state of being. And we've talked about that. It's like if I said I am happy, I am is my state of being, and happy would then describe how I am. Okay? So mostly what we're going to be putting here though are for person, place, or thing. Okay? We'll go ahead. I've already got some Jasmine. What do you think?
We have no drop.
Well, I'm wondering if terrestrial is actually more of an adjective. So I think we need to add that over here. Okay. So I'm going to add it here. Because it's a terrestrial planet, the terrestrial is describing what type of planet it is. Okay. So, so what could I put there? Or it could be a terrestrial, like the moon in the sense of, yes, Earth. Okay, good.
Earth is a thing.
Earth